if you want a greater challenge by getting the thoracic into more extension, the humerus needs to be brought up like this, okay? So you want to bring both up. So the reason this is I'll show you guys from the side. When my arms are like this, my back is more prone to be in this type of posture. But when you bring the humerus up like this, okay, like this, your brain naturally, the scapula goes, it's called downward rotation. So it's going to go down. When the scapula goes down, the way that we were created, the muscles in the trapezius push the thoracic spine into extension. So by raising the humerus like this, you will get greater oblique recruitment because the body, you're telling your body to fight to keep that portion of the spine in extension. Anthony leaves his arms back. We get the spine to greater extension. Anthony's going to sit up. Now when he sits up, I'm going to tell him to not go to the toes, but to go up and reach up. Go ahead, Anthony. So up here, like this, in here. Okay, go back down. Now I'm going to have him do that one more time. Fire it off, Doc. So Doc gets up, bingo, like this. Now I'm going to hold him, but I want him to stay here. You see how the spine is straight. Doc's got good genetics in his spine. We're not in here, flex your spine, like this, okay? This is where we start getting into the six-pack guys that we talk about, okay? But we are in extension. We're getting synergistic involvement here from all the obliques, the transverse, and the rectus, okay? But we are getting more recruitment from the internal oblique in there. So there's a couple good ones with that as well, okay?